What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. Today's going to be a crazy video. A lot of cryptocurrencies are pushing up to new all-time highs right now. We have Ethereum breaking $1,500 for the first time ever today, along with a number of other altcoins here pumping and some great news in the mainstream media as well. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for regular crypto news, and hit the bell if you do want to be notified because a lot of this content is very time sensitive. Alright guys, so I have some crazy stuff to show you guys that does prove that there's tons of buying pressure in the crypto space right now, and I do believe we're going to continue moving upwards like I've been talking about, hitting that $50,000 Bitcoin and $2,000 Ethereum resistance levels. I think that's going to be our next major barrier since those are new all-time highs for both. We really don't have previous data to show where the next resistance level is going to be, so rounded numbers like that are generally going to be the major resistance. So I do think Ethereum could be moving upwards of $2,000 very easily here, as we're seeing with some altcoins just spiking 20 to 40, even 50% and more in some cases in a very short period of time. So we did have that Cardano ADA pump yesterday going above 40 cents, which was its major resistance level. This can easily fly now. Definitely check out my latest video on my channel about Cardano and why it could hit $1 in February. So there is some major stuff happening in February. Definitely want to check that out. There's going to be some big announcements that could easily send this up to $1 to $1.25, which is its next major resistance zone. And then after that, it could really fly. So lots of coins are up pretty good today. Litecoin is getting close to $150. That's very bullish as well. Moving towards the launch of PayPal crypto merchant payments, I think Litecoin is going to fly. Only around a $10 billion market cap for that right now. Very high upside potential for that, comparing it to other top cryptos here. So I will show you guys some other altcoins I'm very bullish on right now in this video as well for February, since we are at the beginning of February here. Before that, I do want to mention that Twitter actually restricted my account, and unfortunately the phone number I had on this account was an old business phone number that is no longer active. And the support wait for this is just crazy. It's a couple days, I believe. So I'm just locked out of my account for now. So I can't even show you guys stuff from Twitter that I did have saved and everything. So this did make me realize I do need to be on more platforms. So I am going to be doing TikTok crypto content now. I think this will definitely help bring a lot of new people into the crypto space as well and help provide more information on different platforms. So if you guys want to follow me on TikTok, I do appreciate it. Help me get started here. So it's the same handle at JRNYcrypto. There's also links in the video description. Also Instagram, I haven't ever really used. I did use it at one point, but I will start using this again if you guys want to follow me here as well. Same thing at JRNYcrypto. I do appreciate that. I will start posting here, and this will definitely help in case Twitter or a different platform shuts down at some point. Then I still have ways to communicate with you guys for big crypto news and everything and announcements. So this is another major reason why I'm working on a crypto membership site. I'm actually going to be developing an app as well that does send you signals and notifications on major news as it breaks. I'm going to have a lot of different researchers watching the markets and everything and send you those signals as soon as stuff breaks, because that's really, you want to be ahead of the herd, not at the back of the herd, and that's how you have to do it. It's really impossible to do this on your own. So I'm working on some crazy stuff with this. We're also going to have technical analysis experts posting bullish charts and everything. So I will be announcing the date and time for the pre-sale of this cryptocurrency membership website. I'm going to keep it very limited for early access, and basically this will just give you private group access on Telegram and Discord while I launch the main website and other products that come with it. And this will also give you 60% off the first year, and it'll help out give me funding so I could hire a good amount of people and start developing these products. So I'm really excited for that. All right guys, so some major news here is the search term buy crypto is at an all-time high ever in Google Trends right now. Just insane. And I do believe this is because of all the craziness going on with the stock market. WallStreetBets really set this off very recently. So as you guys can see, it is at an all-time high, even higher than the previous peak of that bull run. And this is only getting started in my opinion. We still have major inflation coming to the US dollar and fiat currencies, as well as more stimulus packages coming, which means more buying pressure. So this is only the beginning in my opinion, and this is a great sign. So Bitcoin as well, we can see that actually fell off recently, but the price is still holding pretty steadily. And I do believe this is going to start going up again because Elon Musk just announced support for Bitcoin. And we do have other announcements that are very likely to happen with Tesla accepting cryptocurrencies as payments. And Elon Musk talking about how much Bitcoin he actually bought is going to be major. There's also the possibility Tesla made an acquisition of Bitcoin as well, which would be really major. Lots of institutions are getting into crypto, or at least watching and making their strategy to get into crypto. And the ones that already are in are buying the dips. So over 2021, I do believe institutional demand is going to continue climbing, and that's just going to take more and more supply out of the markets. At the same time, that retail demand is also moving up. That's really going to make the prices skyrocket, which is why I'm so bullish on that $50,000 Bitcoin and $2,000 Ethereum. Like I've been saying, by mid-February, this is very likely, more likely than not. Of course, there's always the possibility of bad news in the short term and short-term market dips, but those type of things I use as opportunity to buy more altcoins, and I pretty much just do that regularly, doing dollar cost averaging, buying any dips when they do happen. So lots of very bullish news today, very surprisingly. So the Winklevoss Bitcoin exchange is pushing into banking with a new savings product. This is really massive as well. Up to 7.4% APY is pretty huge. So if you guys want to earn interest on your crypto and put your crypto to work, I do recommend that. While you're just holding it, you could be earning passive income on it as well. I do recommend BlockFi for this. There is a link to sign up in the video description. Using that link and making a deposit of cryptocurrency to start earning interest and passive income. You can also get up to a $250 Bitcoin bonus on top of that. So pretty good to get you started out if you do use that link in the video description, or you can just go to blockfi.com/JRNY. So the Winklevoss twins are very interesting people in the crypto space, huge influencers. They were here very early on in Bitcoin, and they own over 1% of Bitcoin together, which is just massive. They're billionaires from this, and they also own the Gemini exchange and other products. They're always doing big things in the crypto space. So another massive article here from CNBC. Yes, Bitcoin could be the new GameStop. On Friday, Bitcoin briefly shot 20% higher after billionaire Tesla founder Elon Musk changed his Twitter bio to Bitcoin. Hedge funds are short Bitcoin by more than 1 billion, according to data from crypto news and analysis company The Block. So this is huge. We're seeing a lot of people transitioning from the stock market into the crypto space for the first time. Lots of new buying pressure coming into the crypto market. Meanwhile, institutions buying up as much crypto as possible, taking it out of circulation. There's going to be less and less crypto in circulation available, which we did see recently with Bitcoin as well. That's been going down very steadily, how much Bitcoin is on exchanges and being traded. People are taking crypto out of circulation and holding this long-term as a long-term investment, which is great for the price of cryptocurrencies. I definitely think we're going to start moving up in general now, leading up throughout 2021. I'm very bullish as well. So big article on Fox Business about Elon Musk and Bitcoin. Elon Musk backs Bitcoin, talks crypto future, as we have been talking about here. Elon Musk adding Bitcoin hashtag to his profile sent Bitcoin up 20% instantly, but since then it has been struggling to find new support. But I do think we're going to be moving upwards here, especially if we have any big announcement on Bitcoin. Any company, institution making a major acquisition of Bitcoin could definitely send a lot of new buying pressure to Bitcoin and really push this upwards of $40,000 again. But a lot of people are very bullish on altcoins now, as we are seeing some altcoins going parabolic lately. A lot of the top 10s are up huge in general. So these WallStreetBets groups, they're starting to pump small cryptocurrencies, and you could kind of find these by the trending cryptos here on CoinMarketCap. One I actually owned is StormX here. And this is a project with good fundamentals and a good team and everything, but they don't have any marketing really. And as you guys can see, their price has just been flat since the last bull run. And the peak of the last bull run here was over 10 cents, upwards of even 20 cents at one point, and now it's below 1 penny. So this WallStreetBets group, I did see an image of them posting that they do want to pump this next. Since this is much smaller market cap, it's much easier to pump small projects like this with good fundamentals than it is to pump Dogecoin or XRP, where it takes billions and billions of dollars to push it up. So this is up 115% right now. This was at 0.0072 just about 30 minutes ago. So this is fluctuating very quickly. This morning it was only up 50%, and they were claiming that everyone should be buying until February 7th. So be very careful buying into cryptos when they're already up. Like I always say, you need to be ahead of the herd instead of at the back of the herd, because if you're at the back and you're buying when the crypto's already up 100% or more, people could start dumping on you, and then you can lose a significant percentage of your investment if it goes back down, which we are seeing with a lot of these pump and dump groups. So we also got major breaking news right now of Ethereum breaking its all-time high, hitting $1,500 per ETH for the first time ever, as ETH options and DeFi heats up. So growth of DeFi, increasing on-chain activity, and the strength of the bullish Ethereum options market help send Ether's price to new all-time high at $1,500. Something that's a major flaw of the Ethereum network though is the crazy gas fees. I just posted about this, but Twitter shut me down. I had to pay around $50 for just a single transaction on Uniswap right now. So that's the major flaw with Ethereum. In a bear market, the fees are very acceptable. They're around $1 or less. But in a bull market like this, where there's just millions of people buying up altcoins constantly and the volume is skyrocketing, the Ethereum network fees just get crazy like that. They've even been upwards of $100 and more at certain busy points. So if you do want cheaper fees on Ethereum, you do have to trade at times of the day when the network is least active, and you can use etherscan.io to find information like this. But great news here, Ethereum breaking 1,500, and I think it can still move upwards of $2,000 very quickly. As I have been saying, I do think that's going to be a major resistance, and we'll probably be testing other major resistance along the way as well. So great times ahead in the crypto space in general. The crypto space is still very small when you look at it at a crypto global market cap of just $1 trillion. Gold alone is over $10 trillion. There's many companies out there that have over $1 trillion for their own company as well. So I definitely think we're going to be seeing multiple cryptos go into the $1 trillion market caps within this peak of this bull run. Which we will be seeing play out throughout 2021. I think it's going to be a great year in general, especially with inflation, more stimulus packages coming. It's inevitable that the crypto space is going to be picking up in general, especially good altcoins that have good fundamentals, good team, good long-term vision, and most importantly, great utility for the token. A lot of companies create a token, and their problem is they don't give utility to the token. They just use it like a stock. Which people don't buy cryptos like that. They need to have utility. One example of this is the basic attention token from the Brave browser. So this is one I did hold for quite a while. It did have a pump recently getting announced to be on the Grayscale Trust Fund, but as you guys can see, pretty much flat. It's basically a stable coin around 25 cents its entire existence, having peaks every once in a while with news. So in my opinion, this is a prime example of not having good utility. The Brave browser continues growing and has an evaluation over $1 billion, and that was about a year ago. And the basic attention token only has a market cap of around 500 million, so it's not keeping up, which does show they're not really doing marketing or giving a good utility to the coin as well, which if they did start focusing on the coin more, this could shoot up to $1 and more. So we'll see how things play out. It's also very possible that PayPal lists basic attention token as one of the first cryptocurrencies at some point in 2021. And I do believe this because the basic attention token, they actually have a lot of power because they have the Brave browser, which is one of the best advertising platforms for cryptocurrency. They actually sell ads on their browser, and PayPal pays millions of dollars for these ads. So it's very likely that PayPal does some sort of deal where they list basic attention token and get free marketing or discounted marketing. Some type of exchange like that is definitely a possibility, and I do think PayPal will be adding more coins here at some point in 2021 after the crypto merchant payments launch. So if you guys haven't seen my latest video on Cardano and the possibility of ADA hitting $1 in February, they have some big things coming in February. Definitely check out this video. my last video on the channel. So that's about it for today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for regular updates here. I always keep you guys updated with the most important news and the biggest things happening in the crypto space. I'm also working on that crypto membership site where you'll get immediate alerts on anything major happening. We'll have technical analysis experts doing charts and everything, and really be on top of everything in the crypto space. So thank you guys again so much for watching the video. If you guys found it useful, a free way to support the channel is like the video, comment below, and share the video anywhere on social media or with friends and family. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.